Good afternoon. तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरो दिसती. I am still in the magic land, so a little bit disoriented. It is such an honor and such a pleasure to be a part of such a wonderful collusion of colors, of music, of culture, of languages, and a very big thank you to the organizers, Malusha, Rizel, George, in honor of the Naberta Menezes, who happened to be a friend of my parents, Dr. Ishmina and Jose Francisco Marti. I remember her as a child because after the clinic got over, my father used to, take his small walk and go to the pharmacy and spend a few minutes there, and while we played around the counter in the pharmacy. Not very clear memories, but they say that you educate a woman and you educate an entire family. In Dana Berta's case, as we have seen, her mother was a very learned, educated woman who educated her daughter. And today we have evidence of several families being educated. And in turn, this particular family has taken upon itself to educate hundreds of families. Congratulations to the establishment, ma'am. Congratulations and a great deep honor from my side to all the teachers, because without the teachers, I don't think this was possible. I congratulate all the parents for choosing the school. I go as a chief guest to several organizations all over Goa. I'm an educationist. I've been on various education committees or various bodies. I've been in social service for the last 34 years, or 35 years must be. But this is the first school I have come across where there is genuine bonding of cultures, a confluence of languages, and I marvel at the fact the way the children were so fluent in so many languages without a single fault. सुंदर आणि बऱ्या भाषेन कोंकणी उलयली. तातूंत मात लेगीत इंग्लिशीचो खंयचोच अंश नासतना. इंग्लिश उलयली तर परफेक्ट डिक्शनान उलयली. हिंदी उलयली तर खूबसूरत हिंदी उलयली. अशें खूब क्वचित घडटा. आनी हेच आमच्या देशाचें एक म्हाका दिसता सुरेखशें लक्षण. ब्युटी लायज इन डायवर्सिटी म्हणटात आमी. आता सध्या आमच्या देशाने एक प्रकल्प काढला की बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढाओ. ताजे प्रत्यक्ष उदाहरण आमकां हांगासर ह्या मंचार आज दिसून आयले. हांवें मॅडमनी मलुशाक विचारले की तुमच्या स्कॉलान पर्सेंटेज कितें काय म्हणून गर्ल वर्सेस बॉय. तर ताणें म्हाका सांगलें की ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल. गोंयाना इक्वल, more or less equal, but better than the rest of the country, I guess. But it's a wonderful thing that we are educating our children without a bias. I was sharing with my co-chief guest, guest of honors, की खुबशा हांगासर कार्यक्रमान आमकां चलयो लीड करतना दिसल्यो. Taking a bold step, putting their first best foot forward, leading their male counterparts, and making this program very, very wonderful. I congratulate all the parents for taking such a keen interest in grooming your daughters and raising them to be equal citizens. I hope in the same way you raise your daughters to give them equal rights on the legal platforms, equal rights in their properties, equal rights in their societies, equal rights in their homes also. And that is an education that starts here at this age. This was kindergarten, and I took pictures of a 14-year-old child doing such a wonderful dance that I felt envious. We groom our youth, maybe not to represent us, because we are that confused generation where we had 1 foot into patriarchy and 1 foot into the legally gifted or endowed notion of equality which did not exist. We were told that we are equal to the men in the society, but in reality it wasn't so. I am one of them, and I am very fond of saying कि बेटी बचाओ, बेटी पढ़ाओ, उसको बाद में बेटी को नचाओ, because I am in courts trying to fight for my rights. Don't let your daughters do that. And when we have workshops to teach our daughters how to assert their rights and how to stand up for their rights, we forget that the ones who suppress their rights are not the women. Maybe exceptions are mother-in-laws, most probably. But I don't think that should be continued into the next generation. Now, most of you here are women, I can see. You know, it's a wonderful thing.
Can we have a louder round of applause for all the ladies and also the gents? Thank you.
To the men in the audience, I honor you for having your daughters admitted in such a wonderful school where the education, I think, is exemplary. From what little I learned, I know the family. I mean, when I was called to be the chief guest out here, I refused because I had a very tight schedule today. I had to be in Pedne and I had to be somewhere else, and you know, wasn't possible. But then she said that, you know, this is Dona Berta Menezes' birth century, the 100 years of her birth, and she was your mother's friend, and fortunately they share their birthdays. My mother is also born on the 24th of August, but in 1922, which is 4 years younger. So they have a common birth date. I couldn't say no. I knew the family. I know the respect, the honor and the dignity the family has been upholding down the generations. But what I did not know, that they had translated all that dignity and all that educational knowledge and all their pride in society and their mother tongue and in Konkani, which you have heard throughout the program, how Dona Berta was so fluent in Konkani, and when the Konkani came into the 8th schedule, she made it a point to educate adults in writing in Devanagari. Many of us don't. And many of us don't bother to teach our children to write. Many of our children today are challenged a little bit in language because कोंकणी घरान उलयनात, कोंकणी भायरय उलयनात. कारण आमकां अशें कितें तरी एक वहम कसो जाल्लो आसा की इंग्लीश सारकी आयल्या शिवाय नोकरेंत आमकां प्रोग्रेस जावपाक मेळचो ना म्हणून. हांव शाळेन प्राथमीक गव्हर्मेंटाच्या शाळेन घरांतल्यान साक व्हरून जमनीर बसून म्हजें शिक्षण 4थी मेरेन केल्लें आसा. म्हज्या शाळेन बांक नाशिल्ले, आनी जेन्ना आमी 4थेन पावली आनी परिक्षा लागीं पावली तेन्ना 3 बांक आयिल्ले, आनी आमचे 4थेन फक्त 7च भुरगीं आशिल्लीं. आय स्टूड फर्स्ट इन द गोवा पुना बोर्ड इन द 4th स्टँडर्ड. आमी आमच्या भुरग्याक प्रोत्साहन दिवपाक जाय, अशें सिद्धनाथ गोयावान सांगलें. आमी सगळीं म्हणटात की भायल्यांतल्यान प्रोत्साहन आयल्या शिवाय आमी मुखार वचना. जेन्ना म्हाका पयले खेपा महाराष्ट्राचो पुरस्कार मेळ्ळो फॉर बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस इन मराठी ड्रामा कॉल्ड लोककथा 78 82 सालान, म्हणजे आतां खूब वर्सां जालीं ताका, तेन्ना एका हेराल्डान फ्रंट पेजीर घातिल्लें की गोवन Catholic doctor wins a gold medal in a Marathi play. असो फ्रंट पेज न्यूज आयिल्लो. हातून पळयात तुमी तुमी कितलें डिस्क्रिमिनेशन आसा पळय तें. एक तरी नाटक, दुसरें म्हणल्यार हांव डॉक्टर, हांव कॅथलीक घराण्यांत जल्मलां पूण आमी जातपात धर्म तशें मानिनात, त्यामुळे म्हाका ते अर्थ ताजो कळूंक ना व्हडलोसो. पण महाराष्ट्रान वचून गोल्ड मेडल घेतल्या ती असल्या वेगळ्या कल्चरली ग्रोन अप भुरग्यान हो ताजो उद्देश आशिल्लो. हे डिफरन्शिएशन केलें कोणी? आमची भुरगीं आमची मायभास कित्याक उलयनात? मराठी उलोवंक जाय अशें हांव म्हणना, कोंकणी कित्याक उलयनात? हांव मराठी शाळेंत शिकला म्हणून हांव मराठी उलयतां, कोंकणी उलयतां, हांव इंग्लिशूय उलयतां, पुर्तुगेजूय उलयतां. आमी डिफरन्शिएट करूं नये, कोणाकच करूं नये. हांगासर इतले सुंदर सुरेखान आमकां मॅडमीन सांगलें की 500च्या 500 भुरगीं हांगा स्टेजीर येवन गेलीं म्हणून. तोखणाय करपा सारकी गजाल आसा. तुमकां कल्पना आसा ह्या थिएटराचे कॅपॅसिटी इज ऑलमोस्ट 1000 आनी फाटल्यान लोकय उबे आसा. म्हाका दिसता हांगासर 1100 तरी लोक आतां ह्या क्षणाक हांगासर आसतले. 1000 लोकां समोर एक भुरगें जेन्ना स्टेजीर येता ताजो आत्मविश्वास आनी आत्मबळ कितलें वाडटा ताचो. Thank you, ma'am, for letting all the students, because they are the future of our nation, as you said, this is the future of our country, to give them so much encouragement. And to all of you parents, one thing I would like to add before I finish is take care of mental health of your child. Do not push your child. All children are born different. Everybody is not born to be an engineer or doctor or computer scientist or a lawyer or a IT technician or whatever it is that is happening these days. Everyone is not born to be put into a format and standardized. Children are different. Let them flourish. Ask them, talk to them, be their friend, ask them what they want to do. My son is doing cinematography. He's the first born to be doing his master's in cinematography at the Film and Television Institute of India. He stood 4th All India. It's an All India entrance exam. All his classmates became engineers. He also went and stood in line. He passed, he was a rank holder in that Goa entrance exam, but not that high that he would get into engineering, and he would have failed in the first year because his maths is very, very weak. When I heard that he's standing in the queue with 5 of his classmates who had got entrance into Goa Engineering College, I went to that board and I picked him up and I said, come home. This is not meant for you. Don't even bother. You're different. You are not going to fit into engineering. Don't do medicine because I have done it and I have suffered. I don't want you to suffer. Please do something you love. Because when you do something you love, then you're not working. When I act, I work for 20 hours a day, sometimes for 36 hours a day without sleeping. And I never feel exhausted, I don't feel tired, I don't feel I'm working because I'm having fun and getting paid for it. There was a time when I was doing television serials, and here you heard some of the very famous serials. You can go and see Zaman Samal Ke 74 episodes are on YouTube. You can see the episodes, and I have been working at that time 3 shifts a day. I used to sleep in the car from one studio to another studio because I was doing 3 serials at a time. Never felt I was working. On red lights, in the traffic red lights, I used to change makeup from one character to another character. I used to remove makeup, put on makeup, because 2 minutes मेळटा तुका लायट चेंज जायसर. अशें दिसना काम करताशें. भुरग्यांक जबरदस्ती करूं नाका. अमुकच जाया आनी अमुकच शिका सांगू नाकात, कारण मागीर भुरग्यांक टेन्शन जाता. आनी दुसरी गजाल म्हळ्यार, अकॉर्डिंग टू द स्टडी, मोस्ट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम एन्झायटी एंड डिप्रेशन. प्लीज लर्न टू आयडेंटिफाय दॅट. Go on the net, read it. Go to your teachers, go to your counselors, find out. Don't ignore early signs of depression and anxiety in your children. Anxiety तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसतली, तुमकां जाल्या आसतली परीक्षेच्या टायमाचेर, लग्नाच्या टायमाचेर तर नक्की जाल्या आसतली. इग्नोर करूं नाकात. Depression amongst adolescents is very, very common. Ignore करूं नाकात. Early stages ignore करूं नाकात. Counseling चलना जाल्यार ट्रीटमेंट आसा, मदत उचित वेळाचेर घेयात. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट तुमकां गजाल सांगून हांव आतां इल्लेशें कितें उलयलां तें काबार करता इज डायट. शॉर्टकट संवसारान खूब आयल्या. भुरगीं जावपाक 9 म्हयने लागतातच न्ही, नाजाल्यार आमी तांकां प्रिमेचर म्हणटात आनी मागीर प्रिमेचर तांकां इन्क्युबेटरान दवरतात, मागीर प्रिमेचर ICU जाल्ले आसतात. खंयचेंय व्यक्तिमत्व डेव्हलप जावपाक एक टायम लागता. खूबशीं भुरगीं म्हजे कडेन, आय एम अ सायकियाट्रिस्ट, सो आय गेट टू सी अनफॉर्च्युनेटली लॉट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन हॅविंग बिहेवियर प्रॉब्लम्स, डिप्रेशन, एन्झायटी, मूड डिसऑर्डर्स. आनी तांचो जर हांव आराखडो घेतलो जाल्यार मूळ जें म्हाका दिसून येता पळय दॅट इज डायट आनी स्लीप. आमी शॉर्टकट करतात, भुरग्यांक आमी शॉर्टकट जेवणां दितात, तातूंत न्यूट्रिशनल वॅल्यू खूब कमी आसता. हांव व्हडलें भाशण दिना, तुमी सगळीं शिक्षीत दिसतात म्हाका हांगासर. तुमकां न्यूट्रिशनल वॅल्यू म्हणजे कितें तें खबर आसतलो. आपल्या भुरग्याची काळजी घेयात, भुरग्यांक वेवस्थीत न्यूट्रिशन मेळटा हाची जबाबदारी तुमची, कारण तातूंत मानसीक वाड जाता, शारिरीक वाड जाता. म्हजो पापा सदां म्हणटालो की तूं तुज्या वया सारकें दिसना गो, तुका इतलो स्टॅमिना कसो येता. हांव अजुनूय खणटां, शेत लायतां, म्हणजे भाजयो पालो सगळो हांव स्वता करतां. म्हाका म्हजो गार्डनर म्हणटा की मॅडम आप ऐसे कैसे कर सकती हैं. तो मैंने बोला अगर मैं मिट्टी में हाथ ना डालूँ ना 2 दिन तो मुझे डिप्रेशन आ जाएगा, तो मेरे को फावड़ लेके जाना ही जाना होता है. सो म्हणून हांव विदाउट अपॉइंटमेंट पेशंटांक बी घरा कडेन म्हणजे क्लिनीक आसा हांव अपॉइंटमेंट दिना विदाउट फिक्सिंग द टायम, बिकॉज हांव मोस्टली शेतान आसता फाटल्यान. भुरग्यांक जर ल्हानपणान न्यूट्रिशन सारकें मेळूंक ना, भुरग्यांक जर ल्हानपणान एक्सरसायज वेवस्थीत मेळूंक ना, कॅल्शियम वेवस्थीत मेळूंक ना, विटमिन्स वेवस्थीत मेळूंक ना, मिनरल्स, आमी आदीं बांयचें उदक पितालीं, आमकां मिनरल्स ऑटोमॅटिकली मेळटाले. आमी आयदनां आमची कॉपराची आसतालीं, लोखणाची आसतालीं, कुंडली आसताली, मातयेची आसताली, आमकां वेवस्थीत सगळे मिनरल्स मेळटाले. आतां आमी प्लास्टिकाच्या बाटल्यांतल्यान उदक पितात. आमी रांदतात कित्यान देव जाणा, एल्युमिनियम, स्टील, तातूंत कांय आसना तत्वां. मागीर आमची भुरगीं वीक जातात. आतां ह्या वेळार न्ही, ह्या वेळार तुमकां कांय कळपाना. ह्या वेळार तुमी तांकां पोतयो पोतयो भरून चिप्स खावयताल्यात, चिप्सान कांय आसना आनी सगळे रेडीमेड खावयताले. मागीर तांकां 12-13 वर्सां जेन्ना पळय जातात तेन्ना मागीर तुमकां सगळे डेफिशियन्सी कळून येतल्यो आनी मागीर तांकां सगळीं जी दुयेंसां जावपाची आसा पळय ती जावपाक चालू जातली. ते अवॉयड करपाक तुमी आतांच सुरू करा. मातशें वाचा, मातशें शिका, कारण हे संवसार वेगळो जाल्लो आसा. ज्या संवसारान तुमी वाडल्यात किंवा तुमचे आवय बापूय वाडलो तो संवसार आतां उरूंक ना. आतां सगळेंच आर्टिफिशियल जाल्लें आसा. सगळें ओवर द कावंटर मेळटा, फास्ट फूड जाल्लें आसा, रेडीमेड जाल्लें आसा. तातूंत न्यूट्रिशनल वॅल्यू कमी आनी प्रिजर्वेटीव चड आसतात. मातशें अभ्यास करा, भुरग्यांक प्रेमान वाडया, भुरग्यांक माया मोगान वाडया, रेस्पेक्टान वाडया आनी मुख्य म्हणजे इक्वॉलिटीन वाडया. जशें चले तशी चली अशें आतांच समजून वाडया.